A lot of my hobbies are riding my bike, do a lot of bike trips. My knee was wear and tear partly from my job and being heavy on and off all my life. It just wore down. The doctor said it's full knee replacement if you want to regain use of your knee like normal. So that's why I decided to have full knee replacement, and it was the best decision I ever made. I heard about the Carrum Health plan through our benefits, clicked on it and did a little more research on it and thought it was too good to be true. You got to pick out several different hospitals throughout the country, and I picked St. Francis Hospital in Connecticut because all they specialized in was joint replacement. And my surgeon was Dr. Robert Kennan out of Hartford, and he treated me just like a regular guy. Sometimes you get these doctors that, kind of talk down to you, but this guy was fantastic. Bedside manner, like I've never seen a surgeon before. I would definitely recommend St. Francis Hospital for a knee replacement. I mean, I don't know that I'd send anybody anywhere else just because of the experience I had and how well the surgeon treated me and how well the hospital treated me. I can't recommend them enough. They've been so good to me. I had total knee replacement a month ago, and the surgery was a total success from day one. I knew it. You could just tell, how good I felt so shortly after the surgery. And I'm already up and walking with, very minimal discomfort 4 weeks after surgery. Thank you to Dr. Robert Kennan for taking such good care of me and treating me like, a regular person. And within the next 6 months, I pretty much feel I'll be back to normal. I'm ready to get back on my bike because I'm pretty much live to ride, and it doesn't seem like much, but compared to what I've been through for the last year, it means a lot to me to be able to get back to a normal life.